Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and this is going to be a real brief update for all of you guys to let you know what is going on. I am back to working on another big project again. This is might not be starting it right away or anything, but I still need to work out the details on it. It's essentially these 12 colors, and they're going to repeat a number of times over so that way each color can be used equally. And I'm sorting it out, and so this basically is just good news for people who really enjoy the big projects that I do. I am looking into it. I'm trying to see what I can do with that. So but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know what was going on. Didn't want to miss a day in videos, so this is what I'm doing today. And yeah, wish me luck, because this is a doozy. So yeah, I look forward to sharing more details with this project as it goes along. So yeah, if you're working on something too, I'd love to see it. You can share that over on Discord, and yeah, hit like, hit subscribe, and check out my Patreon. Right? Thanks to all my Patreon supporters who make this possible. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.